And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 61. Let me show you another example where one of these shapes is hiding in a basic shape. We use the polygon tool. We want to have 6 corners, so left click drag, then use up and down the arrow keys on the keyboard till you've got 6. Hold shift when you drag it, and then rotate it while holding shift 90 degrees. I've given it a fill, no stroke, but let me give that a different fill color, maybe something bluish. Now all that it takes to create a shield is to use the direct selection tool. We select only this bottom left corner and drag the circle fully to the max. Same on the other side, and then once more on top, and there you go. So as I've already said in the last video, sometimes these shapes, they kind of like hide in basic shapes, and if you know your way around Illustrator and you can actually see these shapes, then it's very easy to create them. So for example, creating a perfectly symmetrical shield from the start, for example with the pen tool, is very tedious, but when you know that it's inside of a hexagon, so a polygon with 6 corners, then it's fairly easy to do. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.